Who Wants to Be a Millionaire returned to ITV on Saturday evening with a range of contestants hoping to win the jackpot. Akeem Miller was the second contestant to play for the million during the tense episode, but an incorrect answer caused him to walk away with just £1,000. Jeremy Clarkson admitted it's a cruel show after he delivered a crushing blow to Akeem. Akeem, who won the fastest finger in a time of 1:91 seconds, was optimistic as he got sat in the hot seat. He got off to a flying start and declined the offer of having a safety net at £8,000. However, the quiz started getting difficult for Akeem when he got to the £16,000 question. He was asked which of the following sea creatures was classified as a fish out of a Portuguese man-of-war, a scallop, a seahorse or an octopus. Harry and Meghan put spotlight on them. Expert says on Media Row Akeem used the phone a friend lifeline, but the caller on the end of the line admitted he did not know the correct answer. He then used his Ask the Audience lifeline, with 63% choosing seahorse. However, Akeem went against the audience and selected a Portuguese man-of-war as his final answer. Unfortunately, the answer cost him a huge amount of money, with Jeremy saying, "Akeem, I am afraid you have just lost £15,000. Jeremy added, "Oh no, that is awful." "You are leaving with, and I have to say this as cheerily as I can, with £1,000. Jeremy tried to console Akeem before telling viewers, "It's a cruel show sometimes, it really is." Michelle was the first contestant to sit in the hot seat, and she wanted to travel via cargo ship to New York and on to Patagonia if she won enough money. When Jeremy asked why she didn't want to travel via airplane to the US, she said she wanted to get there in the greenest way possible as she cared about climate change. Jeremy Clarkson sells all adult cows, leaving calves without mothers. Latest: Jeremy Clarkson retaliates after order to shut Diddley Squat restaurant. Update: Richard Hammond addresses difficult future for the Grand Tour. Exclusive: she was cruising through her first set of questions but had to use a lifeline when a question about cars came up. She used her Ask the Host lifeline. Jeremy answered the car-related question correctly and Michelle was soon on £16,000. She refused to set her safety net at £32,000 but struggled with the following question and used up her lifelines before bowing out of the quiz show with £32,000 in the bank. Last week, Jeremy left a contestant with their head in their hands after he explained they had answered incorrectly and would be leaving the show with £1,000. Ethan could not believe he had lost £7,000 following his blunder. Jeremy remarked, "That's a rotten bit of luck, but you are still leaving with £1,000, which isn't too bad. And, it has been fun having you here." Ladies and gentlemen, Ethan. The host could be heard saying sorry about that as Ethan walked out of the ITV studio. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire continues next Saturday at 9:30 p.m. on ITV.